Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. It is, I don't know what time it is. I'm sure it's like after 8 or somewhere there. But yes guys, today we are vlogging fully from the camera. So if you guys see me look up, I'm just making sure I am focused. So yes guys, this is what the new camera looks like. Right now I am getting ready. We are gonna go to Kingston. Me and my dad is gonna get some water. I'm gonna try to find one cream for my ear because as you guys can see, my ear kind of natural. Yeah, I need it to be creamed. It's kind of overdue, so yay. So today we're testing out the battery life on this thing, hoping it will bring me to Kingston and back. It is fully charged, so we'll see. Yes guys, so comment down below how's the quality. Let me know guys if it's better than my iPhone. I kind of like it because it makes it brighter. It's a bit brighter than the iPhone, I think, because normally if I was using the iPhone I'd have to open the curtain. Right now, as you guys can see, I just up my curtain. I want to see difference, but yeah, that's without opening the curtain. Yay. Yes guys, so I'm ready. I don't know, I'm ready. Let's see what's going on around here. I'm gonna try and get myself some brekkie. But yeah, as you guys can see, when we move away from the light, it's not bright again, and then it gets bright when I get into the light. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna say hi to mom, the vlogging camera. No, mommy, we're vlogging with the camera. Hi. What's up?
Nothing.
So how do you like my camera?
Well, it's looking great.
Oh, thank you guys. Mommy approves. Look at that face. Look at that face. We're crazy. Ooh, pine. Pine.
What are you doing?
I want pine. Yes guys, so I don't really have nothing else for sure at the moment. Oh, let me show you guys my OOTD, what I'm wearing and all of these things if I have a show. So let me see. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this gray top by this in Acrylics. Yeah, so I'm wearing this gray top and it says wild one. It's like a best friend kind of thing. But yeah, there was only one, so I didn't buy any for Shan. And I'm wearing this jeans pants with this design at the side, and I'm wearing my Crocs, guys, as usual. Crocs, I beat it, you know, the Crocs biz. Look at that, look at that, look at it. Yeah, so we are gonna see how vlogging with the camera goes today, audio and all, you know. Video my auntie. Long time we don't see you. Hi. Hi auntie. Oh, long time we don't see you.
No hugging,
No hugging. 6 feet apart.
Audrey.
Oh. You went. Hi.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, mommy, 10 minutes.
Hi.
Now I'm going to so. Now I'm going to so. Oh yeah. Carrying enough money. Hey guys, so I am back home. Battery did not do too bad. I think the battery is still charged, and I did video quite a few things today, so not bad. But I guess like on a day when like I'm going on a trip, like a beach trip or something, I could probably test it then. But for now, overall I charged the battery fully last night and it's working fine. It's doing great. We good. Yeah. So yes, lighting wise, as I say guys, this is much brighter than my iPhone. Let me see, let me compare it. Not telling no lie and all of that. Yeah, right now I'm seeing a difference. The colors are more vibrant on the camera compared to, I'm gonna do a video and you guys will see what I mean. But right now I am gonna just chill. We came home and watched our favorite movie, Hawaii Five-0. So it comes what, $4.25 every evening. So yeah. Oh yes, on the downside, this is really heavy. Well, it's not that heavy, but I'm tired already. But yeah, and it's easier to hold because I can just, as you guys can see, I have it on a tripod. Let me show you. I think it's the tripod that's heavy. So I have it on this tripod here. I think it's heavy. The tripod itself is heavy, so I don't know. But it is fine, you know? And yeah, this is the next thing. It takes a while to focus, especially in low light, as you guys can see. If I'm in the low light, it focuses on something else, and that's why I keep on looking up, because I don't want to be out of focus. I want to be focused for you guys. Yeah, but yeah, otherwise it's fine. So where'd it go? I think I'm just gonna go chill right now. Gonna try and watch a movie, or probably write on my stories. I don't know. And then I don't know if I'm gonna get to edit a video today or not. If I do, then you guys will see it tomorrow. If not, then you'll see this video on Tuesday. So yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.